We use water leaf to cook the afang, which is afang leaf fish. This is goat meat. Then this is periwinkles, my cow skin, water leaf. Look at this. I have not added the afang leaf yet, but it's giving. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Treasure. Please watch my video, subscribe, like and share. So in today's video, I want to cook a very delicious native soup. We call it afang soup. So come, let me show you guys my ingredients. This is water leaf. We use water leaf to cook the afang soup, and this is the main ingredient, which is afang leaf. And here I have Akwa-cross fish. This is panla fish, and I have stock fish here and goat meat. Then this is my already pounded crayfish. I have here periwinkles, and this is cow skin. Let me open it. So this is my cow skin. Here is blended pepper, and this is salt, maggi, and palm oil. So you guys grab your popcorn and watch me how I'm going to prepare this delicious soup. Thank you. Okay, now let's start by putting the meat and stockfish on fire. Yeah. So this is my pot that I'm going to use and steam my meat. I have already washed the meat properly, but I'm not going to. Goat meat and stock fish. I told you the soup is going to be very delicious. So if you have not taken afang soup before, please watch this video and try and prepare afang soup. Yes. So I'm going to season my meat with salt. So maggi. And this is pepper. My pepper is frozen, so let's see if we are going to be able to cut it. Okay, it's not possible right now, so let's keep it aside for now. And then onion. So I'll add in some water and then cover and cook it. Okay, that is our meat on fire. And now this is cow skin. So let's cut it. I'm going to cut it. Can see it has boiled very well and it is soft. The stockfish is well soft. So now I'm going to add fish. I'll add the fish now. And now let's check if the pepper has froze for us to use. That is pepper. Banla fish. We call it Akwa-cross fish. So this is ready. Let's put it down and put the pot of soup on fire. So this pot is for the soup. Let's add palm oil. This is palm oil. Because I want to fry the water leaf a little. This is water leaf here. I'll just fry a little. Some people prepare their afang soup without frying the water leaf. You can cook it to dry off the water, or you can fry it. It's optional. The water leaf. Okay, let's check. See? There is no water in the water leaf again. That everything has dried off. So now I will add the meat, fish, stockfish, and cow skin. Water. Crayfish. So now we add crayfish. I will add seasoning cube. Periwinkle. Then I will cover and allow to cook very well. Let's check the soup. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. I have not added the afang leaf yet, but it's giving. It looks so yummy. So now I will add the afang leaf. Our soup is almost ready. So yummy. This is so yummy. So I'll still add palm oil again. Try. This is what we call afang soup. You eat this afang soup with swallow, with fufu, gari, semovita, any swallow that you have. Plantain fufu, banana fufu, any kind of fufu at all, any kind of swallow. Use this afang soup to eat it. Guys, this is my own. Oh, I want to go and enjoy it now. I want to go and enjoy it now. So, food is ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this family. You're not going to regret it, okay? Bye. Mwah.